So right off the bat, you have these. Now, all of the thermostats in the big box store are not the same quality as the ones that an HVAC contractor buys straight from the supplier. They look the same, but they're actually different. They're a lot more cheaply made. But having said that, these here have a lot of setup on them. I don't necessarily recommend this for a homeowner because there's a lot of setup you have to do on there. These thermostats here are pretty much the cheapest made. They have a lot of problems. I would avoid that one. I do like Honeywell. Now, if you're going to choose one on the basic end of things, this would be the one to choose. This is just your basic thermostat. As I said, you want to get it from an HVAC contractor because the quality level in the box store is different than what Honeywell sells to contractors. All right, so on the basic level, I would say choose this one. Now, when we get into the higher end ones, there is the Ecobee, which is actually my favorite, not this destroyed one here. But Ecobee has two different ones. They have what they call an Ecobee Lite, and they have an Ecobee Pro. The difference between the Ecobee Lite and the Ecobee Pro, one is it looks a lot different. This is a very beautiful thermostat, but this one has a microphone and a speaker, so you can actually talk to it when you connect it to your Alexa or whatever machine that you have. See here, it has an Alexa built in, so you can tell it to change the temperature in the house, so on and so forth, and it'll actually play music. Ecobee is made by Honeywell. This is why I recommend the Ecobee. Now, the Nest thermostat, should you choose Ecobee or Nest? First off, if you're going to do Nest, do not buy the white one. The white one is their cheap one. Yes, it has a good price. They're usually bad right out of the box. The terminals are really, really weak, and they usually break when you put the wires in. I recommend, if you're going to do a Nest at all, get the black one. The black one is their higher end one, typically costs more. These are the ones that we see less often breaking. These are almost always broken. Now, they do have a new one, which is all glass. This one is brand new. I have not seen this one in action yet, so I can't comment on that one. But if you're going to do a Nest, do this one. But if you're going to pick between Nest and Ecobee, do the Ecobee. It's made by Honeywell. Google actually owns this one. Google is not necessarily in the HVAC business. Honeywell is, so this one is going to have a lot more capability. It's a lot smarter. The Nest thermostat gives you a lot less control, actually. This one is more tied into energy savings, and it takes away a lot of your comfort controls. The Ecobee is going to be a lot better choice when it comes to that.